Today, we're discussing an essential but subtle aspect of dating, the obvious signs a younger woman is attracted to an older man. Ever found yourself wondering if that glance or smile meant something more? Well, today, we're going to unravel those mysteries. I'll guide you through the unmistakable signs of attraction, making it easier for you to recognize genuine interest. By the end of this video, you'll be able to read these cues like a pro, understanding what's really going on in those seemingly casual interactions. And don't forget to stick around till the end. I have a special bonus tip to add a new perspective to your dating life. Ready to get started? Let's decode these signals together. 1. Prolonged eye contact. You know, there's a lot you can tell from someone's eyes, especially when it comes to attraction. When a younger woman is interested in an older guy, one of the first signs you might notice is prolonged eye contact. It's like that old saying, eyes are the window to the soul, right? Well, it's spot on in this case. Now, what exactly is prolonged eye contact? It's more than just a quick glance. It's when she holds your gaze for a few seconds longer than what would be considered casual. This kind of eye contact can feel intense, but in a good way. It's as if she's trying to establish a connection or communicate something without words. Look for other clues along with the eye contact. Is there a warmth or a smile in her eyes? Does she look away shyly and then look back at you? These are the little hints that can suggest she's genuinely interested. And remember, context is important. If you're in a social setting where it's normal to make eye contact, like a coffee shop or a party, then prolonged eye contact might be more meaningful than, say, in a crowded train where eye contact could be accidental. So prolonged eye contact, it's a simple yet powerful sign of interest. It's subtle, but if you're paying attention, it's a pretty clear indication that she might be into you. 2. She initiates conversation. So, you've noticed the prolonged eye contact. Now here's another telltale sign. She starts the conversation. This one's significant. When a younger woman makes the first move to strike up a chat with an older guy, it often indicates more than just casual interest. Think about it. Starting a conversation requires a bit of courage. It's her way of opening the door, of showing she's open to getting to know you. This could be as simple as her asking for your opinion on something, commenting about your surroundings, or even saying, "Hey, I've seen you around and I wanted to say hi." How she engages in this conversation can tell you a lot. Is she asking you questions about yourself? Does she seem genuinely interested in your answers? Is she sharing bits about her life too? This back and forth, this effort to keep the conversation going, is an indicator of her interest. It's also important to pay attention to the vibe of the conversation. Is it relaxed and easygoing? Does it feel like she's enjoying talking to you? A comfortable and engaging conversation often suggests a deeper level of interest. 3. Body language cues. So you're hanging out, and there's this younger woman you think might be into you. How do you tell? Well, body language can scream louder than words. Notice how she positions herself. Is she consistently facing you even in a group setting? That's a big clue. When someone is into you, they naturally want to be oriented towards you. Their body says, "Hey, you're important, and I'm all ears." Now, let's talk about mirroring. It sounds like something from a spy movie, but it's actually pretty simple. If she copies your actions, say, you take a sip of your drink, and she does the same, that's mirroring. It's a subconscious thing we do when we feel connected to someone. Kinda cool, right? And then there's open body language. This one's about how open or closed her posture is. If she's sitting or standing with her arms crossed and her body turned away, that's like a do not enter sign. But if she's relaxed, with her arms at her sides or gesturing while she talks, that's a welcome sign. Use this info as a guide, not a rule book. Pay attention and be observant. But remember, the best way to know someone's feelings? Just have an honest, straightforward conversation. It beats trying to be a body language detective any day. If you're finding this chat about attraction signs helpful, please press that like button. It really helps me out. 4. Laughter and playfulness. So, picture this. You're chatting with a younger woman and notice she's laughing a lot at your jokes. And I mean, even the ones that aren't your best material. That's a good sign she's into you. It's like she's enjoying your company so much that even your dad jokes are hitting the mark. But it's not just about her laughing at your jokes. It's also about how she's being playful with you. Maybe she's teasing you in a fun, lighthearted way. This kind of playful banter can be a sign of attraction. It's like she's comfortable enough to joke around with you, and that's a big deal. Now, it's important to understand the balance here. There's a fine line between friendly laughter and flirtatious playfulness. If she's laughing and being playful with everyone, that could be her personality. But suppose you notice she's giving you extra attention with those giggles and playful remarks. In that case, that's a signal worth paying attention to. If she's laughing a lot with you, Joining in with your humor and adding playful teasing into the mix, there's a good chance she's showing you she's interested. But remember, take it in stride, keep the conversation flowing, and enjoy the laughter and lightness. It's all about enjoying the moment and connecting, not just ticking boxes on a checklist. And that's laughter and playfulness for you. A joyful sign to look out for, but always best enjoyed in the spirit of genuine connection and fun. 5. Seeking your attention. Imagine you're just going about your day, and you start noticing this younger woman popping up more often in your orbit. Maybe she's showing up at places you hang out or suddenly appearing in your social media notifications a lot. It's like she's got this radar where you're the blip she's homing in on. Now let's talk about how she might try to grab your attention. One classic move? Bringing up stuff she knows you're into. Say you're a big fan of vintage cars, and suddenly she's chatting about this cool classic car show she heard about. That's not just small talk. She's waving a big flag that says, "Hey, I'm paying attention to what you like." Another thing to watch for is how she engages with you. If she's actively seeking you out to start conversations, that's a pretty clear indicator. It's like she's making her own opportunities to chat with you. And nobody goes out of their way to talk to someone unless they're at least a little interested, right? The key is to notice if you're getting special treatment compared to others around you. Is she making an effort to be where you are, to talk about things you care about, and to engage with you specifically? If yes, then there's a good chance she's trying to get your attention because she's interested. Just remember, all these signs are pieces of a larger puzzle. And, as always, the best way to figure it out is good old-fashioned communication. 6. Compliments and personal interest. So let's say you're chatting with this younger woman, and she starts dropping compliments. Maybe she's commenting on how great your new haircut looks, or how she admires your taste in music. Compliments are like little hints wrapped in a bow. They're her way of saying, "I like this about you." But it's not just about the compliments. It's also about how she takes an interest in your life. Is she asking about your weekend plans, your family, your crazy hobby of collecting rare stamps? This kind of interest is a step beyond just casual conversation. She's investing in knowing more about you, which shows attraction. Now here's where it gets interesting. It's one thing if she's giving compliments left, right, and center to everyone. But if you're the main recipient of these positive vibes, that's a signal worth noting. And if she's remembering small details you've mentioned before, like how you like your coffee or your favorite movie, that's even more significant. It shows she's paying attention to you. Finally, here's the bonus tip I promised. Have you noticed these signs and think a younger woman is into you? Cool, but here's the deal. How you respond matters big time. If you're feeling the same way, great. But always, and I mean always, approach with respect. It's about having a conversation that's honest and straight up, no games. But what if you're not interested? That's okay too. The key is to be kind and respectful in letting her know. No one likes to feel brushed off or ignored. A simple, friendly response that doesn't lead her on is the way to go. Remember, whether there's mutual interest or not, respect is the name of the game. It's about treating her feelings and yours with care. Be classy, be respectful, and you're all set. Now that you know the signs she's attracted to you, what's next on your journey? Are you interested in how to turn on younger women? Or maybe discover how to drive girls crazy for you? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.